how to create group in order to share access in Google Docs. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. So the first step is to open your browser first. Once you're here, all you need to do is type groups.google.com. After you type that in, we'd be in this page. So if you do not have any groups currently, you can see at the top left corner, there's an option called create group. Just go ahead and tap there, write down your group name. So this is your group email address. Make sure you remember it, since this is the address we would be using to share access, and write down the description and tap on the option next and tap on create group right here. So as you can see, you have successfully created the group. Now all you need to do is go back to Google Docs. Once you're here, you just need to look at the top right corner where there's an option for share. Tap on share, and now you have this option. Just write down your group email and tap on send. As you can see, it says access updated. So you have successfully created a group to share access. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and I'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.